India House is located in A. Kolkata, B. New Delhi, C. London, D. New York. And the answer is London. Who was the first Prime Minister of England? A. Olive Cromwell, B. Benjamin Disraeli, C. Gladstone, D. Robert Walpole. And the answer is Robert Walpole. White Revolution is related to A. Egg, B. Milk, C. Meat, D. Wool. And the answer is milk. The Nobel laureate who is fighting to liberate the people of Myanmar is A. Angela Merkel, B. Benazir Bhutto, C. Aung San Suu Kyi, D. Winnie Mandela. And the answer is Aung San Suu Kyi. Who said man is a social animal? A. Plato, B. Aristotle, C. Rousseau, D. Socrates. And the answer is Aristotle. Capital of Ukraine. A. Kigali, B. Oslo, C. Kiev, D. Tel Aviv. Answer is Kiev. Who is the Prime Minister of Japan recently visited India? A. Jack Ma, B. Jinping, C. Fumio Kishida, D. Shinzo Abe. Answer is Fumio Kishida. Russia-Ukraine war started on A. 22 Feb 2022, B. 23 Feb 2022, C. 24 Feb 2022, D. 25 Feb 2022. Answer 24 Feb 2022. Dissank app created by which state for why? A. Karnataka for land record, B. Odisha for voter list, C. West Bengal for conservation of monument, D. Bihar for cardinal points. And the answer is Karnataka for land records. Name the father of Indian Constitution. A. APJ Abdul Kalam, B. J.B. Kripalani, C. B.R. Ambedkar, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. And the answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Name the country which has no capital. A. Uganda, B. Nauru, C. Guatemala, D. Ghana. And the answer is Nauru. Name of the person who was also known as Deshbandhu. A. Chittaranjan Das, B. G.K. Gokhale, C. Madan Mohan Malavya, D. S. Radhakrishnan. The answer is Chittaranjan Das. World Trade Organization came into existence in 1992, B. 1993, C. 1994, D. 1995. Answer is 1995. Panchayati Raj comes under A. State list, B. Union list, C. Concurrent list, D. Residual list. Answer is state list. When did the War of American Independence take place? A. 1770, B. 1772, C. 1774, D. 1776. And the answer is 1776. Which Indian state is inhabited by Jaintia tribes? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Mizoram, C. Manipur, D. Meghalaya. And the answer is Meghalaya. Which country's flag has AK-47 rifles? A. Japan, B. China, C. Cyprus, D. Mozambique. And the answer is Mozambique. Who among the following defeated Harshvardhan on the bank of river Narmada? A. Pulkesin I, B. Kirtivarman I, C. Pulkesin II, D. Vikramaditya I. And the answer is Pulkesin II. Which rulers established a religious capital in Khajuraho? A. Gupta, B. Maurya, C. Chol, D. Chandela. And the answer is D. Chandela. Which of the following is the author of the Panchatantra? A. Jagannath Das, B. Kalidas, C. Surdas, D. Vishnu Sharma. And the answer is Vishnu Sharma.